morning it is. Today is Thursday. Hi guys. Magluluto ako ng good morning pa ba? No, hapon na. Nag-edit ako ng video. Pagkatapos ko mag-coffee, nanood ako ng movie. Pinanood ko yung movie ni... I'm watching Kathy's video by the way. Pinanood ko yung movie ni Vilma Santos at saka ni Angel Locsin. And, yeah, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng movie na yon. Nakapanood na ba kayo nun? Ang ganda, no? Anyway, after ko manood ng movie, nag-edit ako ng video. So, inedit ko yung Get Ready With Me video ko para sa mga haters. Charot. Yeah, inedit ko siya. Nung ginawa ko yung video na yun, hindi ko talaga alam kung ma-upload ko siya or ano. Pero nung nag-edit na ako, sabi ko, i-upload ko to. Keber. Anyway, magluluto ako ng sapsap. Sapsap. Ito, yummer! Sinatawag namin itong dangay sa Cebu. Wait, ito ba yun totoo? Yeah, product of the Philippines. So, ito talaga yun. Yummers ito guys. Ito yung paborito kong dried fish. Actually, ito lang yung kinakain kong dried fish. Yeah, kasi manipis yung ano niya, yung skin niya. You know what I mean? Yun. So, lulutuin ko lang yan. Oh my gosh. Ito talaga yung amoy ng dangay. Ito talaga yon. Ito talaga yon. Kasi yung dried fish na binili namin last time, hindi siya yung from Philippines. Ano yun? Product ng Thailand. So, hindi talaga siya yung, you know, yung dried fish na nakasanayan ko. Pero, gustong pa rin siya kasi it's dried fish. It's tuyo. So, it was still good. Pero ito, yung amoy niya, yun talaga yung amoy niya. Ay, patay. Hindi ko na on yung fan. I don't really mind the smell of this. Like, para sa akin, sobrang bango ng amoy na to. Pero, si Dan ayaw niya. Tsaka daw yung amoy. Ay, sarap! Okay na, ready na ang aking rice. Ininit ko lang yung aking rice. Konti lang yung rice ko. Kasi leftover to from ano eh. Last night. Ayoko na magluto kasi gusto ko ubusin yan. I think I'm done. And then, I have my vinegar. Ito yung... ewan ko, Cornwell's vinegar. Wala kasi lang dato puti. Actually, ito yung first time na magsusuka ako. Kasi the last time na kumakain ako ng tuyo, wala kaming suka. Kakabili lang namin itong suka eh, nung nagluto ako ng adobo. Kasi yung suka ni Dan, di naman yung ito na suka. Yung suka niya, balsamic vinegar. yung inaano mo sa ano, sa bread. Yun. Anyway, kain na ako. I'm so gutom na. Kain tayo. Hello! It's a really nice day today. I like it. It's only 21 degrees, so it's not really like super cold. Nice. Was it cold at work today? No, not at all. We will go to, are we gonna go to only one or a few?
Just one.
We will go to a fish shop. We will replace Ube.
Maybe.
Well, it's gone. So, oh, maybe. Yeah, we'll see. We'll just look for fish.
We found one we like, we'll replace it.
Yeah, are we gonna get the same one? Fighting fighter? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes! I hope we can find the fishy we like. And we will name her or him. How will you know the gender of the fish? We will go here, Aquarium Fish Paradise. This is where you got Ube?
Either here or the other one.
You guys, we got one. I'm not sure what to name him though. Oh yeah, wait.
You can Instagram him if you want. Who wants to name the fish?
You guys, we got a new fish. He's red. I don't know what to name him though. Can you guys name him? I was thinking of like red, pula, but like pula really? Like, you know, it's kind of like not as interesting as Ube. Ube is a nice name. But yeah, new member of the fam bam.
Jollibee.
Jollibee? Oh yeah.
Red.
Is Jollibee red?
Yes, that's red. My t-shirt's red. Isn't he red?
No, Jollibee's not red. Is he red? No, it's not red. Jollibee? Oh, we can call him Jollibee.
Jollibee?
Jollibee! Or Jobby. Just Jobby.
What does
That's
Jobby
it.
mean?
Short term for Jollibee.
Yeah, that's what people call Jobby?
Yeah.
Okay, Jobby sounds good.
Jobby! You have a name. You have a name. You're Jobby now. Yeah, he's kind of chubby. He's the biggest one in there as well, so he's the biggest one in there. They didn't really have kind of the same color as Ube, yeah, but
Which is fine. Different colours, good.
he's the biggest one, so he's the chubbiest one. Chubby. Nice. We're home. We got chicken from Coles. So yung parang lechon manok. It's $8 for the whole chicken. Jobby, welcome home, buddy. He's gonna clean the tank. The last time he cleaned it, Ube died, so. Welcome to your new home, Jobby. Jobby. Yay. Come on, buddy. Ah! You look so pretty. These will settle, by the way. He just cleaned it, so it's gonna be crystal clear in a bit.
It will be.
Chubby. Wait, what are you doing? Are you like a gymnast? Huh? Hello. Ah, he's so red. Ang saya ng episode tonight. I'm watching MasterChef. Ang saya ng episode kasi yung judges yung nagluluto. Tapos yung final for yung judge nila. It's so good. So funny. And look at Jobby. Jobby is swimming right there. We will be watching Me Before You. Kathy sent me a link to watch this. So thank you, Kath. Sabi ni Ann, umiyak daw siya dito. Ooh, okay. Hello. Can you show that again, babe? This is what?
This is on a website.
Best places to travel in 2016. So 15 is Japan. Number 14 is Argentina. Number 13 is Adelaide. Good old Adelaide.
There you go. Morocco.
Morocco, number 12.
Sicily.
Italy. Ooh, hello. You've been there?
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica. Brazil.
Ecuador.
Ecuador.
India.
Cuba. Cuba. I've been there. Shitballs. Denmark. Panama. I had a layover there.
Alright.
Ooh, number 3. China, babe. Number 2. Number 1, Philippines. Oh.
Germany.
Frankfurt. Oh, hello. Where's Jobby? Jobby. Buddy. Where are you? Hey. Time to eat, buddy. Aray, shitballs. Time to eat, buddy. Don't hide. There's the food. And he's hiding somewhere. Here. Hello. Hey. Come on. Are you sleeping? He is sleeping. Okay, I'll let you sleep. Katatapos ko lang maglinis, I will go ahead and take a shower para makapag-film ako. I need to film 2 videos today. So, yun. Hello! Yes, naka-makeup ako. Straight yung buhok ko. I straightened it with the Remington straightener. And I just finished filming my Q&A video. And sa next Q&A, medyo exciting siya. Kasi sabi ni Dan, sasali daw siya sa next Q&A. So kung meron kayong question, please make sure to leave the question on that video, the Q&A video. I'm pretty sure that's already uploaded. Pero yeah, I have on my lips the True Lips lip liner in the shade number 55. I will film another video kasi sayang naman itong look na ite. I'm just gonna charge my camera tapos transfer the files to my laptop. And yeah, pupunta kami mamaya sa Chinatown. So, sabi niya magsusushi daw kami tonight. So, yes! I just finished filming the haul and I'm eating Tootsie Roll. Nakita ko siya dun sa shopping bag. Sabi ko, nandyan lang pala yung Tootsie Roll. Sobrang tagal ko na tong hinanap. Yan kasi, hindi kasi ino-open hanggang hindi pa nahuhol. Kaya yung nadamay tuloy si Tootsie Roll. Ito, I forgot to feature in my haul. It's literally like sitting right here. Pero I forgot to show it on the haul. Pero yeah, I got this for $1 sa Target. I believe this is the Fragrance Mist Sunset Coconut Peach Body Mist. $1. Oh no, I think it's only 50 cents. No, maybe $1. Basta, it was on sale eh. It was on clearance. Look at that though. And there's more. And there's more. Ganyan ang nangyayari kapag nag-film ka. So, anyway, replyin ko muna to si Kat. Hello. Lalabas kami. We will have sushi. But then it just rained. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Can you hear the rain? See? Yung wind. Parang gustong pumasok. Lakas ng ulan. He's looking for his keys. My goodness. Nakasapatos na ako. Dito na kami sa car park. It stopped raining, which is perfect. Like, as soon as we get into the city, the rain just stopped. Lucky. Car park looks really busy. Dito kami sa sushi train. Sushi, sushi, sushi. Hindi ako kumakain ng may yung ganyan. Hindi ako kumakain yan. Yung kinakain ko yung mga California roll. Ganun. Hindi ako nang may mga hilaw ng isda. I don't know what is this, but we got that. Looks like it's pork. Not sure. Got my iced tea, peach iced tea. Yummers.
Take one of fish. I'm gonna take one.
Would you like this?
I did, yeah, that was good.
You can. Go ahead. Look at this. We finished that much already. Yummers. Busog na ako. Siya parang gusto pa niya umorder na yung wala sa sushi train. We're done. This is it right here. That's the damage. Nandito kami sa market. We just went shopping right
We
there.
only spent $20 on food.
Wait, how much?
I know the chips are a bit more, about 22, 23.
We just got vegetables for his lunch next week. Same lunch. That looks really cool. Rainbow flowers. These are cute too. But that looks really cool.
Got a
And
bunch for the house or not?
no. I got this spicy peanuts. This is so good. Yummers. We're heading home. We got hot choco from Sancho Rose. We waited, let's just say forever there. It took so long. Oh my gosh. Nah. Forever. I got hot mocha, hot choco, milk choco, mocha, whatever. We're home! Mag-haul ako. Kunin ko lang yung tripod ko. Yeah, so nagpunta kami sa Chinatown Market. And then we got some just vegetables. And then meron ding fruit. Okay, so... Oh my god! We got this corn chips. And then we got a cucumber. Laki ng cucumber, no? We got an onion, one onion. We got mushroom. Right there. Yeah. And then, we got this. Sobrang tagal ko na gusto kumain ng pineapple. Nasay ko, where's the pineapple? Hindi kami makahanap sa mga shops dito. So, doon sa market meron sila. And that was $3.50. And then avocados! We got 5 kasi gagawa ko ng guacamole. And then, sa din niya, lunch din niya, I also add avocado. So, lang siya, 5 for $5. And then, merong eggplant, lemon, capsicum. And that's it, pancit. And then my peanuts. Do you guys want to see? I'm not sure if I showed you. But it looks like that. Really good. No siya ng football. My video is up for tonight. It was up 8 minutes ago. And yeah, I'm reading all your guys' comments. I mean, as of now, I have, I don't know, 34 comments. And so far, so good. Well, ganun naman talaga yung mga nauuna yung mga mababait. Nauuna yung mga mababait, mga mababait. Tapos, siguro mga after few hours, merong mga, mga tsaka na darating. I wasn't sure if I wanted to put that video up because I was like, it's kind of like, not harsh. It wasn't harsh at all. Like, matamaan yung matatamaan. Hello. I have on this mask. Oh my gosh. So far, this is my favorite mask so far. Sa lahat ng nagamit kong mask, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. This I featured on my recent BB Bag Mask Maven unboxing. This is the Mask de Escargot. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, pero merong nag-comment sa video ko na yung escargot daw. Sabi niya, snail daw. So, this is snail mask. Ganun. Gustong-gusto ko siya kasi super, parang iba lang yung texture niya sa ibang mask na nagamit ko. Parang very soft, pero makapal. Hindi siya parang, I don't know, I can't explain. Parang jelly, ganun. Ito din yung, 2 pieces na mask. So, yeah, merong isa para dito sa part na to, tapos isa pataas. See? Sobrang ganda niya. I'm not sure if you can see, pero basta jelly yung texture niya. Super like. Yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you sa mga positive feedback sa video ko na na-upload today. As in, sobrang thank you. I'm doing my best to reply to all the comments tonight. Tomorrow, I'm not sure if I will have time to check the comments. Pero sa lahat ng comments na mababasa ko tonight, I will do my best to respond. Weekend na bukas, so magiging busy na naman. He said we will film tomorrow, so we'll see about that. We will film the Bean Boozled, and I will do my best to have it up on Sunday. So I need to charge my battery. I need to remember to charge it. And yeah, that's basically it for tonight. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Bye.